So if you are struggling to grow on YouTube as a YouTube creator, sometimes it's not always about the YouTube algorithm. Sometimes it's also about you. Because tell me, if your audience don't know when to expect your videos, they might not show up to even come and watch your videos, right? So today we are going to go over why having a posting schedule is important and how it can also help you in your YouTube growth. Today we are talking over why scheduling posts on YouTube is important, and having a consistent posting schedule has a positive impact in your growth. So number one, when you have a posting schedule, it creates a consistency in your channel and it builds trust with your audience. Because if your audience know that they are going to be expecting a video from you every Monday at 9 a.m., automatically they are programming their mind, okay, to go and check your channel for that video. And when they come and they actually find that video posted at 9 a.m., it builds trust, okay, and it shows them that they can count on you and they can rely on you, okay. So that's one of the major reasons why having a posting schedule is good and beneficial for your YouTube growth. Then number two, having a posting schedule increases your engagement and retention, okay, because let's face it, if your audience already know they're anticipating your video, of course they are going to be commenting. That's a way for them to connect with you. Perhaps you dropped a video that sparked some questions in them. They might put that question there, okay. So having a posting schedule is definitely something that you want to work around as a YouTube creator. And then having a posting schedule also boosts your YouTube algorithm, okay, because it also helps YouTube know that, okay, this channel posts at this particular time of the day every twice every week, or every Tuesdays at this time, or every Thursday at this time. So YouTube also, you having that fixed schedule will also help YouTube know, okay, this is the time you are posting and this is where I can find the people that are available to watch this video. So everything works together. So if you are not consistent with the same posting schedule, you are going to frustrate the algorithm, and your audience also will not really depend or rely on your videos or on your channel because they don't know what to expect. Because if you post today and you're posting 3 weeks later randomly, okay, it's not going to, really help your audience and your algorithm, okay. Although we know that we don't have full control over the algorithm or over the engagement and growing of subscribers, but how you show up on your channel, your consistency, and they all work together hand in hand in ensuring that you get the right subscribers, the algorithm is working in your favor, and you're also getting the right engagement. So this is a way of building that trust. And then number 4 is, when you have a posting schedule, it reduces stress and last minute rush, okay. If you know that you always put out a video every Monday and every Thursday, for example, so you are going to work around creating time to record those videos and schedule them before that set time, okay. But if you don't have a schedule and you are someone that just create video randomly, you might find yourself in stress. You might find yourself not being able to even meet up with a single video a week. But when you have a schedule, you know that, oh, I have people expecting to hear from me on Monday. You will do everything you can to make sure that you have something to post on that said day and time. So this is very, very important. So if you found value in this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more nice content like this. So to sum everything up, having a scheduled posting habit is not for you. It's not about you. It's about your audience. So just imagine your audience looking forward to your videos every Monday morning as a cup of coffee. Is that not something beautiful? So, and just imagine whenever your video is out like this, because your audience already know that they are expecting something from you at that set time, they will be ready to also engage in your video. So this is something that every upcoming creator should work on. And let me know, what time do you think is the best to post, or day of the week do you think is the best to post videos on YouTube? Because there's a lot of argument. If you go to Google will suggest different things and other people say different things. So what's working for you, and what do you recommend? Posting twice a week, or 3 times a week, or 5 times a week? What is working for you? Let's share in the comment section so that we can inspire each other. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.